Okay, let's look at 3. So when I look at 3, it's already lined up. I'm looking at the coefficients. I have a 4 and a 3. That's going to be messy. But I have a -1 and a +1. Again, this one is already set up. Maybe a few too many easy problems. But let's go ahead and look at this one. Minus y equals 5. I got 3x plus y equals 9. So if I'm going to add these, the y's go away. 4x plus 3x is 7x. 5 plus 9 is 14. I have 7x, so I'm going to divide by 7, and x is 2. I'm going to take this x and I will put it in this one. Only because when I look at that equation, I see a positive y. And I don't want to deal with the negative y. I have a choice. It'll still work out, but I'm going to plug it in right there. So now I have 3 times x plus y equals 9. But I know that x is 2. 2 times 3 is 6 plus y equals 9. Subtract the 6, that goes away, and now I have y equals 3. Another equation where my ordered pair, right? I got my ordered pair. So it's 2 comma 3. Make sure x is always first, y is second. That's your answer. All right, so enough of the easy ones. Go down to 6. All right, 6 will be different. Right, now I got 2x minus 3y equals 9. Okay, then I have 5x. No, this was not different. I'll go ahead and do it anyway. Plus 3y equals 12. I wasn't paying attention. Even though it's not 1 this time, it's positive 3 and negative 3 for the y's. So I have two y's that are exactly the same. One positive, one negative. All of that adds up to 0. 5x plus 2x is 7x. And that equals 21. All right. Again, these are so easy. Divide by 7, that cancels, and x equals 3. At this point, sorry, I'm going a little bit faster, but mainly because it's easy. I can plug into the x's. I would like to keep y positive, so I will put in the bottom one right there, right? Whoops. What happened there? So I got 5 times x plus 3y equals 12. But x is 3. So now I got 5 times 3 is 15. 3y equals 12. Okay, always subtract first. So we subtract 15, subtract 15. This goes away. I got 3y equals, the negative is bigger, so the answer is negative. 15 minus 12 is 3. And then divide by 3. Divide by 3. Cancels, cancels. Y equals negative 1. Again, sticking with the ordered pairs. What's wrong with my stylus? 3, negative 1. Done. Okay, let's move into a real problem. Something that is a little more difficult. I'm sorry? Look at 12. Okay. Oh, you want to go to the hardest? Let's start like a medium one. How about medium first? Oh, that one, that one, that one. Nah, you know what? You may be right. Maybe I do need to go to 12. Is it the one on the bottom right here? Yes. Perfect. She wants me to do 12. I don't know what happened to my paper right here. I think what's it called? The format changed, and so it's all messed up. But you should have the same numbers for 12 right there. So I got negative 10x plus 3y equals negative 30. Okay, this is what I would like to work with. 15x minus 8y equals 45. All right. This one, the numbers do not match, and the numbers are very, very different. Okay? So when I need the least common multiple, what number can I multiply 10 by, or what number can I multiply and get with 10 and 15? Right? The least common multiple for 10 and 15 would be 30. Right? If I multiply the 10 by 3 and I multiply the 15 by 2, I could get 30. Yep. If I was doing the y's, I could do 24. If I multiply 3 by 8 and 8 by 3, I could get 24. Right? But that's going to be multiplying by a lot. Right? So I think that the 30 is the easier one to get to. So we're going to make those 30. Right? When we say multiply the whole equation, I put parentheses around that. So this first one, I have to multiply the 10 by 2 to make it 30. On the second one, I'm sorry, the 10 by 3 to make it 30, I got to multiply the 15 by 2 to make it 30. All right. So now, when you put a parentheses around the whole equation, that means you're going to multiply every single part by 3. 3 times 10 gives me, or negative 10 gives me negative 30x. 3 times 3y gives me 9y. 3 times negative 30, the equal sign comes down. 3 times negative 30 is negative 90. Okay, now I'm doing the 2's. I'll do a green color. Let's do 2 times 15 is 30x. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16y. And 2 times 45 equals 90. So even though this looked really messy at the start, now we're back to one of those really, really easy problems, and they make it even easier because 90 minus 90 is 0, so this equals 0. 30x minus 30x goes away, that's 0. And so now I have 9 minus 16. So it's going to be negative, and then 16 minus 9 would be 7, which doesn't really even matter because I got a 0 on the right side. So now I just divide by negative 7, cancels, and y equals 0. Well, we'd like to take this answer and plug it in over here, and it almost doesn't even matter which one you plug into. I guess with the colors I can point like that. So I can plug it in right there, and it's a 0. So I have 15x minus 8 times y equals 45. But that's 8 times 0, so all of this is just 0. So now I have 15x equals 45. Divide by 15, divide by 15, cancels, and x equals 3. So what's my final answer? 3, 0. I'll stop there.